Hey guys, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Warrior 3 or Virabhadrasana 3. My goal with these videos where I show you how to do a pose is 1, to help you correct alignment and improve your alignment, but 2, just to show you that there are plenty of ways to modify and make any pose possible for you. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below. And if there are any poses that you would like me to do a video on, go ahead and let me know in the comments below as well. So to get into our Warrior 3, let's start in a runner's lunge. Okay, so we're going to be here. So we're going to kick up with our back foot and then put the weight onto the front foot to get into our Warrior 3. So let's keep the hands at heart center first. So you're going to lean forward and start to lift your back leg up to get the weight on this foot. Okay? So you're here, lean forward. So you're kind of using this muscle, your glute on the standing side, to lift you into your Warrior 3. Okay? So stage 1. You're here, lean forward, lift, and even if you're just lifting this far, that's fine. Always keep a slight bend in your standing knee, so you're never locking your knee out like this. There's a slight bend here, okay? So that's stage 1. Stage 2 would be being here, so you're trying to hinge forward and starting to straighten the arms out. Okay, so those will be the beginning stages of working into Warrior 3. If you're ready to progress, we'll try to lift the back leg higher. And then I'll go over alignment with you. So you're going to be here, okay, so we're going to kick up into our Warrior 3. Hands at heart center first. Once you're ready, then the arms start to reach forward. And then lastly, you can kind of hook the fingers and your pointer finger will be extended. To come out of the pose, well, I should show you that. Here, a lot of times you'll end up coming back down into your runner's lunge, and then your teacher will transition you out of the pose. So let's look at some alignment in Warrior 3. So I already told you guys about the knee. So the standing knee has a slight bend in it. So you're going to be forward here. So you want to make sure your hips, this part of your hip, so if you feel this bony part on your hips, your ASIS, they are pointing down toward the floor. So you're here. My hips are still pointing down to the floor. What happens if you're losing alignment is your hips start opening this way. We want to square the hips down this way. So you're kind of even pulling back a little bit on the standing hip. The back leg, so make sure your toes of your back leg are pointing down toward the floor, and that'll keep your hips in alignment. So you're here. If my toes start opening, then I'm losing my hip alignment. I'm keeping my back leg turned in. So I'm trying to get my quad, the front of your thigh, facing the floor. So we want the quad facing the floor. Okay? You could pull the belly up and in a little bit, and you want your spine long. So you're trying to like extend through the crown of the head, through the hands, and then out through your back foot. If you have the arms extended, make sure you're not shrugging the shoulders, that the shoulders are still down and back. And then back up. Warrior 3 is a really challenging balance posture. So even if you can't get to stage 1 here, even just like starting to have your toe maybe on the mat, I'm trying to think even if we backtrack a little more, leaning forward, hands at heart center, and even just trying to lift off and see if you can balance. Tap back up and tap back down if you need. Lifting up and seeing, then moving to stage 2 with a little bit of a hinge, you know, trying with the arms out, and then moving into the next stage, seeing if you can hinge even more, hands at heart center, and then last stage, with the arms out. So there are many ways that we can modify Warrior 3, and I hope that overview helped you improve your alignment and find a modification that works for you if you need one. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And again, please subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for you guys today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.